Since the discovery of atomic particles, many experimentations have been done to illustrate the behavior of objects in a microscopic level. One such relevant scientific activity was on the existence of isotopes. Particles.
Isotypes are variations of an element having the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. The differences in the number of neutrons are affected by several factors. The most common neutrally occurring is through the cosmic rays from the sun. As these rays bombard the atmosphere, neutrons are energized and collide with carbon-14. The collision results in the formation of another daughter nucleus, nitrogen-14.
Carbon has actually several isotopes, but its isotope carbon-14 is the most common, consumed by plants and animals. It's also frequently decaying, but are easily. Carbon dating is a technique that uses radioactive decay of carbon-14 in organisms that have died as old as about 60,000 years ago. 60,000 years ago. The process materializes upon breakage from the strong nuclear force that acts between all nucleons. Carbon dating is a technique that uses radioactive decay of carbon-14 in organisms that have died as old as about 60,000 years ago. 60,000 years ago. The process materializes upon breakage from the strong nuclear force that acts between all nucleus, protons and neutrons, nucleons, losing energy and emitting radiation. The above example shows the decay from nitrogen-14 to carbon-14, carbon-14, after colliding with energized neutrons in the air. The ionizing radiations are classified as alpha, beta, and gamma. As an example, if this fish died 5,700 years ago and originally it had 2 carbon-14 atoms, after 5,700 years there would be 1 carbon-14 atom.
Ready?
Carbon dating is a technique that uses radioactive decay of carbon-14.